Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson with today's Tàijíquán Tip. I just came out to practice and I noticed that we have a thaw and the remaining ice and snow, and the shadow is both showing us why the snow remains here, just to the north of these trees, but also emphasizing it as well. The shadow is nearly perfectly matching the snow, and the sun, of course, is in the thawed area. And so this puts me in mind of this teaching that we get in the Tai Chi Chuan traditions of a continual reminder to us to clearly distinguish between yin and yang, to clearly differentiate between yin and yang, which is pretty straightforward. You have the yin side, the yang side, the light, the dark, the warm, the cold, the icy, the grassy, pretty straightforward. But the tip for today is to clearly distinguish the yang within the yin and the yin within the yang. So don't look at it as the simple and initial bifurcation, but distinguish within the yin the elements of yang. So, for example, there are little patches of light within this generally shaded area, and of course, there will be shadow in the grassy area. Maybe the shadows cast by the blades of grass or by a passing cloud, or there's a vulture flying over. Maybe a shadow will be cast there as an example. And then the other thing to do is not stop there. If you see yin within the yang, see if you can see yang within that yin. And if you can see that, see if you can see yin within that yang, which is within that yin, which is within that yang, and so forth. So, a sort of fractal lesson for you on discerning yin and yang. So enjoy that, and remember, your teacher was very likely a human being, and therefore full of weakness and pain, despite how you might choose to have seen them. Thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.